What? Wait, what? Huh?
No,
it wasn't.
Legion!
No.
Really? Legion!
It was wait. It's actually
Legion!
Legion.
From
Bro, it wasn't. It was him.
What's good? I know you're the guy who makes the fan art.
Oh my
I know
God.
you
sir!
are.
Monkey, please! Do you remember me? Do you remember me?
Yo, that's real finger painter.
Cody, this is the guy who makes the fan art. This is the guy who makes the fat ass fan
Dude,
art.
he said nothing like him. And then we were about to report it, and then he
Monkey.
puts on the finger.
I
I didn't even see him put it on.
Okay.
I didn't even see him put it on.
Bro, he's real.
Dude, I was too focused on Legion. I was too focused on Legion because he joined. And then I didn't
Bro, he has finger painter. That is the real finger painter.
Do you remember me? Ain't no way I just tagged you. You're the one that made that fan art of you. Or the sketch thing.
Oh my God, that is the real finger painter.
Yo,
I was Party monkey.
No, Legion shouted to you on the messages.
46 minutes.
And you said bro cooked, and then you said bro for real. You remember?
Party.
Wait, hold on. Wait. Wait, that's actually him.
You've sent me fan art before. I don't know if
That's actually him. Wait, what?
Cody, he's the guy who drew like a realistic drawing of you, monkey.
This is crazy. The one on paper.
I've never.
What?
I have never
one on
met
paper.
a YouTuber.
Yeah, that guy.
The 200K thing.
Yo, no, I remember that. Oh my God, yes.
He's
Well,
the
that
guy who
is
draws
fire.
it.
Party monkey.
Okay, you just said the one that draws it on paper. I would probably
Party
remember.
monkey. Wait, come here. Party monkey. We're really sorry for thinking you were fake.
Yeah, that really
I
hurt
swear
my
you
feelings.
didn't. I swear all my life you didn't sound like you. You didn't sound like
I know.
you. What you're
Before I
supposed
went in here, I was like,
Wait,
I said, you know what? I'm gonna come in as a fake.
You
And then
exposed your
I'm
color code. You exposed your color code.
Oh my God.
No, I didn't.
Party monkey.
What did I say?
Party
I
monkey.
said like,
That's not my color code.
That's not his color.
Wait, I your real color code.
Oh, so he said a fake color code. Oh my God.
Wait, did I your real color code?
Okay, I know you have my real color code.
Stop.
No, literally. Okay, wait. Hold on.
fine,
Everybody listen. Quiet. Hold on.
Yeah.
Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. Here, I'm gonna mute you guys because I have this story to tell. It's very brief.
Can't believe it.
I will say the party monkey.
It's actually party
Okay.
monkey.
After you tell the story, Legion, bro, let me say it with you.
Okay,
Party monkey,
but
let me say it
here's
with
my
you.
good old story.
let me say it with you.
Sometimes I search my name just to see what pops up. I search my name on YouTube, and the first thing that pops up, you know how like it will say like you can put in like Party Monkey, and then it'll be like recommended
Legion, bro, let me
stuff
say it with you. Let me
after.
say it with you, okay?
It'll like recommend option like Party Monkey Fish Video, Party Monkey Ghost Video, Parking, all that. One of the top recommended things were Party Monkey color code. I'm not joking. That is one of the most highly demanded things is my color code, and I just made this up randomly. Like, it's a fire color code though. That's why.
Bro, I have your old
Say
color
right now,
code.
Party, I'm gonna tell everyone.
Hold on. I don't know if anybody in here.
Oh, dude, can I say it with you? Can I say it with
I
you?
don't know
Because I have
if
like the exact
anybody in
one.
here
Party
is
monkey, can I tell you
exactly
something real quick?
Party monkey.
I don't
Yo,
know if
Legion,
anybody in here
Legion.
is OG.
Yo.
When you appear in the first Party Monkey video, you just grew so big. Like, you have like a couple thousand subs, right?
I am not. I shit my
Okay, well, I'm gonna tell you one of my most OG fits. I still remember it.
Party monkey, can I tell you which, I was the one who made the fan art that took me 3 hours and 46 minutes.
Hey, it's J-Man Curly.
Bro, Legion, bro, PvP is light work.
I'm actually
PvP is so
surprised
light
it's
work.
him. I didn't even think it was him.
PvP is indeed light work. PvP is indeed light work.
Party
And
monkey.
Party Monkey is still a
Party
fat
monkey.
bitch. As
Party
usual,
monkey.
on a daily basis, he is still fat.
This is
He's
my OG
Party
fit.
monkey.
Hold on,
He
reset,
does.
reset.
Not
I
only
wanna
that,
show my
dude,
color
I
code.
met Seeker the other day.
I beat Seeker's ass.
Dude, Seeker did literally nothing except float in the air. He floated. No, Seeker literally
This is
tracked
what my
my
old
movements.
combo was. This is my old fit. If
Yeah,
anybody
no, it's
remembers
fucking
this.
butt cheeks.
Shut up.
Wait, Party Monkey. Party Monkey. Wait, Party Monkey.
Hold on.
Party Monkey, wait, Party Monkey.
He wants to talk smack about butt cheek combos. You want to know who made his combo? Me.
Hell.
I made that. We got into a thing because when he wanted to start being a YouTuber, I said, okay, your combo's ass. Let me make you a different one. Because his OG combo is so bad.
And we got Legion here too. That's crazy.
Wait, hold on.
Legion, why don't you have finger
Put on your OG combo.
But watch it be fire, bro. Watch it be fire. Okay.
Yo, party monkey.
Let's see it. Oh, that's why.
I made his combo.
Okay, so I lost
Combo.
Wait, party monkey. Wait, party monkey. Wait, party monkey. Party monkey.
I can't feel my hand.
Here.
I can't feel
I just want to make a quick video being like,
Okay.
you be there, you be like, that's not the real party monkey. You put on the badge, you be like, oh my god, I want to send this to my friends.
Okay, you want to make a skit? Alright, everybody,
Yeah,
don't
little
tag
skit,
anybody.
little
Don't tag
skit.
anybody. Don't tag. Hold on. Tag everybody. Tag everybody.
I can't do that. Thing is a fire fit.
I can't
Yo,
feel
Legion, bro, that thing is a fire fit, dude.
my hand hurts.
Legion, that thing is fire.
It's just a little
Booty
skit.
cheeks. Wait, this is what it would look like if me and
Legion,
Legion
that
had
thing
our
is
OG
fire.
combos. This is what me and Legion would look like. This is crazy.
Better yell go.
Wait, yo, Legion, bro.
First combo I ever saw him. Whenever me and Legion met.
What is it?
Wait, party monkey. We did this skit.
4, 5, 5.
Party monkey. Ready? Wait, party monkey. Can we just skit?
Hold on. Let me change into my fit.
Just keep the GT1 badge. Keep the GT1.
Okay, wait, hold on. I'm gonna put on the K's badge. Alright, everybody reset. Alright, everybody come to city. Lava Monkey, don't tag.
Alright, monkey
Well,
does
I want to make the skit.
Hold on. It better.
Yeah, we're gonna make it a skit or
We're gonna
what?
make the skit. Yeah, we're gonna make it. Okay. Here, wait. Let me change my color code. No, don't get tagged.
Yeah, change the color code to the one you.
Okay, everybody. Here, follow me.
It'll make more sense.
Everybody follow me.
Yo, party monkey. What's good?
Party.
Yeah, it's Legion. I know your actual color code. Legion. Yo, I know your actual color code. This is your actual color code.
Can you put it in there?
Legion, this is your actual.
Party, wasn't this my
party
old-
monkey, bro. This is your actual
Party
color
monkey,
code.
party monkey.
Something like that.
Party
Here,
monkey.
put on
My
your
screen
normal
is
fit.
frozen.
Put on
I
your
can't
normal
see.
fit.
Party
Put on
monkey.
your normal
Party
fit.
monkey.
Alright,
So
everybody.
wait, party monkey. There's a glitch where we can't see the color code. So you need to leave and join back so we can see the color code.
Okay, hold on. Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, but
Just leave and join back so we can see the color code.
Legion, bro. I'm your biggest
Yo.
fan, bro.
Thank
Can
you.
you add me?
Alright.
I'm a big fan too.
I actually might because all the fucking
on
fire outs,
finger
you know,
painter.
Yeah, wait, everyone get tagged.
Party
Everyone
monkey.
get tagged.
Hell yeah! I watch every single of your.
Okay, wait, everybody.
Hey,
We're gonna make a video.
Alright, ready?
We're gonna make a
Alright,
video.
ready?
Don't tag.
Dude,
If my audio records, that would be so perfect.
Here's what we're gonna
Bro,
do.
you just tagged. He said don't tag.
This is like some Nick Day 30 type crap. Okay, wait, hold on. Tag everybody but me. Tag this guy. Tag him.
Okay, but what about me, you jackass? What about me, you jackass?
I'll be here.
Legion, go up there, bro. You deserve it, bro. Go up
Hey,
there.
Hey, Party, guess what? Blow me, toad.
I'll be right here.
Oh! No, don't tag him. Don't tag him. I swear to God.
Everybody.
I will find you and kill you if you tag him.
Anyways, okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Everybody's gonna come up to me and like surround me. Do like a giant circle around me, but don't tag me. Right? A giant circle. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is you guys are just gonna be like, "You're not the real party monkey. You're not the real party monkey." I'll be like, "Yes, I am," in like a kiddie voice, a kid voice. I'm gonna run up the stuff, put on the finger band badge, and you guys are gonna freak out.
Party, what about me? What about me? Huh? What about me?
You stay behind.
Oh. Well,
How about this?
wait,
I'm going to fist you.
I can't. My menu's not popping up. Wait, my menu. No. My menu's not working.
Okay,
It's not working.
it's not working. Everybody, same circle. Everybody go back over there and do the circle thing.
Track your every single
Circle,
one of your
circle.
videos.
Come
I will
on.
personally find. I'm kidding.
No, you won't. Good luck.
All right,
I
ready?
know I can't do that.
And you
I
guys,
think
wait,
that's
can you
physically
record?
possible.
Can you record?
No, my menu was just popping up, and then it's like, oh, all right, we're good. Yeah, we're good. All right, we're good.
Okay, record. So everybody's gonna be like, "You're fake, just scream it like you're fake, and then freak out when I put it on.
But
So don't tag
I
me
have
until
to.
I get
All
up
right,
there.
all right. Ready?
Until
I really
put it
thought
on.
you were
All right, ready?
3,
Ready.
2, 1.
You're fake.
You're
fake.
That's not the real party monkey. If you really could put on the finger painter.
You're fake.
You're fake.
You're fake. Yeah. Put on the finger painter.
Dude.
Put on the finger painter. Put on the finger painter. That's real.
Pull the finger painter off, you're real. Pull the finger painter off, you're real.
No.
Pull the finger painter off, you're real.
No way, don't turn.
No balls.
Everybody stop.
No balls.
I'll reiterate.
It doesn't matter.
Put
Put it
on
on if you're real.
the finger painter badge. I promise. I can't really because you won't back up. You gotta
Okay,
check
get
that out.
Yeah, everyone back up. He put on the finger painter badge.
Game over.
No way he's actually real.
Let's see.
No way he's real.
Let's
There's
see
no
that
way he's
paper.
real.
There's no way.
There's actually no way.
No way.
There's no way.
No balls.
god.
No, party
Look
monkey,
at that,
party
look at
monkey,
that.
party monkey, party monkey, party monkey, party monkey.
Let's go. Am I audio recording?